Hello viewers, and for you today I have another eBay purchase. This is a purchase of 2 coins from Katanga, a 1 and 5 franc from 1961. Katanga was a breakaway republic that only lasted from 1960 to 1963. They broke away from the Congo when it first declared independence in 1960. And so there were not a lot of coins minted from Katanga. Let's open it up and see what we've got. Well, that's very nicely packaged. Okay, here we have the coins out of the packaging. And this is the reverse of the coins. And on the reverse it has 1 FR for 1 franc, 1961, Banque Nationale. And also on the other one, 5 franc, 1961, Banque Nationale. And the device that looks like an X on the coin there is actually the Katanga cross, also called a Handa. And historically, these were the type of currency that was used in the 19th and early 20th century. These were made of copper and cast in a sand mold, and it was in the shape of an equal armed cross, which this was once used as a form of currency in what is now the Democratic Republic of Congo in the 19th and early 20th centuries. The Katanga crosses were made in various sizes, but were typically about 7.9 inches across and weighing about 1 kilogram. The name derives from Katanga, a rich copper mining area in the southern eastern portion of the Democratic Republic of Congo. Although these look like crosses, and you might think that they have a historical derivation from the Christian cross, they are actually not related to the Christian cross in any way. They're actually a more ancient symbol from the local area. I'll show you the other side, which would be the obverse. Okay, on the obverse we have bananas within a circle, and it says Katanga on the top. And on the bottom we have 2 small Katanga crosses imprinted into the edge of the coin. These are both bronze coins. The 1 franc weighs 4.7 grams and the 5 franc weighs 6.54 grams. The 1 franc has a diameter of 22 millimeters and a thickness of 1.5 millimeters. Its shape is round and the edge is plain. The 5 franc is 26.35 millimeters in diameter, 1.45 millimeters in thickness. It is round and has a plain edge as well. So let's just make sure I have the correct diameter to them. We are looking at 22 millimeters for the 1 franc, and this should be 26.35 millimeters. And yes, we have about 26.35 millimeters in diameter. Okay, the 1 franc should weigh 4.7 grams. Let's see what she weighs. Exactly 4.7 grams. The 5 franc should weigh 6.54 grams. And we're getting 6.6, which is right, 6.54 grams. It's rounded up a little bit, but that's normal for this scale. So I don't have many Katanga coins in my collection. In fact, I only had one other Katanga coin, which was a 1 franc. And so I wanted to get a couple more examples, but I think these are really nice examples for the price I paid. There's a lot of nice toning on the bronze there. In total I paid $14.21, and I'll put up there what they're worth. I think we probably just about broke even. But nonetheless, this is a breakaway region of the Congo that only existed for 3 years, so I think it's nice that they came up with at least a couple of coins, which have a lot of nice symbolism on there. They have the bananas and the Katanga cross down below, and on the back they have a full rendition of the Katanga cross on the back. So if you have any comments or questions, please put them below in the comments. And like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Good night.